Good morning, ma'am, sir. I am Jacqueline Viñas from Philippines. I am 34 years old, married. I have 3 kids and I have one brother and one sister and I am the eldest. I was working as a domestic helper in Hong Kong before, way back 2015 up to 2017. I finished my contract in my first employer. Then I got another employer for the second time around, but I just worked with them for only 1 year because I have a family problem in the Philippines, so I need to go back to the Philippines. So I decided to go back and fix it. But now I am now ready to work again in Hong Kong because I love the culture and the life in Hong Kong, and because the employer there are so good and all the people there. Thank you.